We're
police officers behind you. I don't care. But you need to.
I don't
Relax.
care.
Brooklyn, New York, November 10th, 2025. Officer Sanger responds to a fight at a Chipotle restaurant. Subject Mariah was struck first, sustaining a visible lip injury. She refused police assistance and was arrested on scene.
You guys together? Are you okay with her?
Stop asking me questions. Stop talking to me. Oh my God, bro, that's gonna piss you off.
And then
What happened?
I was in the store. They came in arguing. I thought they were going to go their separate directions. They did not. They continued fighting. So I got involved, and I was like, "Girl, it's not."
Who was the primary aggressor? Do you think? Like, who was really?
They were both going at it.
Okay.
They were both aggressing each other.
All right.
And then a physical fight started.
She just left from the back. She opened our back door and then left. So you probably both.
Because the fight went over there by her.
Okay.
Hello. Hi, I'm Officer Sanger with Boca Raton Police Department. Do you mind to tell me what's going on today? So that way we can let
I
us
don't know
all.
who that white girl is when she just swung on me, so I'm gonna beat her ass.
Okay, so
I told them.
Okay, so I wasn't here, right? So my name's Officer Sanger. Some people call me Mookie. What's your name? When you're ready, okay? All right, you can be.
I don't want to talk. I see red right now.
Okay.
I want to fight.
Okay.
I don't care to talk. I want to fight. I did not touch that girl. She put her hands on me. I'm gonna f her up. I don't want to talk. I want to fight. Stop talking to me. Leave me alone. I want everybody to get out of my face until they come outside because I'm gonna f her up.
So you don't know who she is?
I don't know who that girl is. I never seen that a day in my life. But you swung on the wrong.
Why'd she do this to you?
Listen. Because my friend pulled into a parking spot, so she gets out the car talking shit. So I'm like, what the f are you talking about? You just mad over a parking spot? So I'm like, girl, what the f are you talking about? We in the place, we in there arguing. She swing on me, she's trying to run. So I grab that by her hair and I start tagging her ass. So when she come out, I'm gonna f her up.
Okay. So how did you get the mark on your lip? Did she do that? She punched you in the face?
That's what I just said.
Okay. Sorry, I didn't completely understand the wording that you used, okay?
Who are you?
You guys together? Are you okay with her?
Stop asking me questions. Stop talking to me. Oh my God, bro, that's gonna piss you off. What's wrong?
Okay.
Where is she at?
Are you friends?
Yo!
What's her name? No. Hey. Okay.
I need you to know. All right, no. Wait, you need to take a deep breath. I can't. I'm trying to come down. I can't come down. I want to fight now. All right, but you can't. Listen. But you can't. It's swung on me. Hey, I need you to look at me. She's trying to run. I need you to look at me. You have police officers behind you. I don't care. But you need to. I don't care. Relax. You need to get a peace of mind. Relax.
Were you involved in a fight?
No, I wasn't involved. I just rolled up
Okay,
to go to the dollar store and I saw the fight in the window
Okay.
there.
What did you see exactly, if you don't mind me asking?
I saw a cluster of 3 or 4 girls all had each other by the hair, beating the shit out of each other.
Okay.
And first I saw a guy who was like backing up like this in the corner, like
Got
he
it.
didn't want nothing to do with it. And then I panned over, see the group of girls, at least 1 or 2 of them worked there.
Okay.
And the guy eventually went over and pulled one of the chicks off, and then everything from there was kind of like below the sight line of the tables, and I couldn't see.
Okay. I appreciate it. Did you see a fight?
I didn't see the fight, but I saw what happened originally.
Okay, what happened originally?
Sorry for my descriptive terms.
You're fine.
The white girl comes
Yeah.
walking up. I was already just sitting here eating.
Mhm.
The white girl comes walking up in the back of the parking lot, and the other girl that's now yelling at front. She's already walking in. The white girl's going.
What did do you know what the white girl was wearing?
Black hoodie and baggy sweatpants, and there was a red
Black hoodie, baggy sweatpants.
like a red accent on top.
Hey, we're gonna go check Lake Wyman.
And I think she's still in the Chipotle. I haven't seen her walk out.
Okay.
Maybe she's in the bathroom. I don't know.
Okay.
But, she was the one that walked up first yelling, "Girl, what's wrong with you? What's wrong with you?" And she kind of, from what I could tell through the window, verbally started it.
So, Mariah, you were in here. Something happened with the parking spot. She got upset, came in and swung at you. Caused this. And then she tried to run away, so you stopped her.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Okay, well, I need to confirm what you said. Okay? Because I don't want to have any information wrong. Are you waiting here because you want to fight her?
Yes.
Okay, so if that's the case, then I'm going to have to prevent you from doing that. Okay, because we're not going to have a fight. We're not going to have a physical altercation where you're waiting to fight here, okay? Now, if she needs to go to jail today for what she did, then I need you to work with me to tell me what's going on, okay? If she's the one who caused the problem today, we want to do something about that, okay?
Okay, so go find her then.
Well, I can't find her. I don't know what she looks like. I don't know.
We're trying to help you to prevent you from getting in trouble. We're trying to see you do this to you to make sure you're not at fault. If you don't want to work with us, that's an issue for you. We're trying to help you. Do you want to work with us or not? Because if your solution to this is fighting her, that's not going to end well for anyone here. So do you want to work with us or not? We're here to help you. We're just going to be stubborn.
I already told y'all what I want.
No, you didn't.
So,
you
I
said
said
you
I
want
want to beat her ass.
Oh, well, that's
We
not,
can't
that's
do
not
that.
happening.
Can't do that. We can't watch that. Then automatically you have to go to jail. Is that what you want to do? You want to go to jail?
You're seeing that right now. I get it. You're hot in the head. I get it. But you need to take a breath and let us help you. And if you don't want that help, just say the words.
Tell us you don't want us to help you, okay?
I don't want help.
You don't want help.
I don't want help.
Well,
Okay.
Listen, if you don't want our help and you choose to linger around here and you see this person and you fight her, you're coming with us later. So before we leave here, I highly recommend you rethink about what you want us to do and let us help you.
I don't want help.
Okay.
I don't need help.
Hi. So apparently there was a physical fight.
There was, correct.
Can I see it on the camera?
Let me ask I don't have access to it, so let me ask my manager.
Okay, they were just telling me, they were pointing me in this direction, that saying you were the one that would have
Let
it.
me just ask.
What does this white girl look like?
White girl.
How old is she?
I'm not around my age. Like
Yeah,
I
she
say,
ran away.
18 to 20.
Okay, so 18 to 20. What was she wearing?
She was wearing a gray sweatshirt or gray sweater,
Gray sweater.
Yeah.
What else?
sweatpants, and then she was about yay high, like just a bit taller than me.
Okay.
And then she had blonde, like yellowish hair.
Okay.
And then that's all I could describe. And then she had that was really, her keys. She had this like towel character on her keychain.
Her what?
A towel character on her keychain. She
A
was
towel?
Like, yeah, like a towel on her keychain.
Okay, I'm trying to see if I can get video footage. They don't have access to it at the moment.
Oh really?
But that girl, supposedly they were in here when they fought. So I want to see the footage.
I thought it was outside.
No, they went outside after the fight. Apparently, something about parking. She came in here and then swung at her, and then she went to run away. So she grabbed her and threw her down.
Who threw her down? This girl threw her down?
Yes.
After the other girl swung at her?
After the other girls, you see her lip and the thing after she swung at her. He does? Okay. Can I see?
I mean, you don't really. Oh yeah, there you go. And then the girl's on the right.
Do you mind if I relook at it?
Yeah, y'all go.
Okay.
Damn, still a haymaker.
Yeah. So.
Them punches, I heard them.
Bro, I seen you march the that girl. I was like, I don't think I.
Thank you, guys. Thank you, everybody.
Issue 1. Probable cause under the Fourth Amendment. Officers had 3 independent bases of visible injury, witness statements, and the subject's own admission. Probable cause was met at first contact. The Supreme Court held in Illinois versus Gates that no single factor is required. The totality of circumstances controls. That standard was satisfied here. Issue 2. Justification under New York's self-defense statute. Mariah was struck first. Her initial retaliation was lawful. However, the justification defense does not extend to pursuing a fleeing subject. Once the other party ran, the defense expired. Issue 3. Criminal trespass. Under New York law, remaining on private premises after a lawful warning constitutes criminal trespass in the 3rd degree, a Class B misdemeanor. The warning here was issued correctly, with the property manager present. Issue 4. Resisting arrest. Mariah physically resisted during a lawful arrest, a second independent charge. The Supreme Court confirmed in Atwater versus City of Lago Vista that custodial arrest for a misdemeanor offense is constitutionally permissible. Issue 5. Use of force. The Supreme Court established in Graham v. Connor that force must be judged from the officer's perspective at the moment of action. Officers applied soft, empty hand control, only proportional and within standard.
Is there anything we could trespass with them?
Sure.
Yes.
I'll let them know. Can I have your ID?
one because the other one
The other one's gone. I can't trespass. Somebody's not here. Can I have
like my
your ID? Yeah.
Like my license ID?
Yes, please. That's how I trespass somebody. Is I need you're considered the manager.
Still waiting on this.
I got no idea.
Do you feel comfortable to tell her yourself, or do you want me to tell her as a representative for you? Like, do you feel comfortable, or are you scared?
I mean, I could. It doesn't matter.
You feel comfortable to say, "Hey, you're no longer welcome here"?
But
I'll be with you. Well, I'll be here. You tell her. Okay. Hey, Mariah. You've now been trespassed from the store. The manager no longer wants you to be here, so you have to leave the store and the premises. Okay?
How am I gonna leave if I didn't drive?
Sorry?
How am I gonna leave?
You can go to the next property, or you can go to the sidewalk over there, but you can't stay here. Okay? Would you like to sign a refusal form to say you don't want to prosecute against her with my sergeant? Would you like to? Okay. Well, you don't have to talk to me, but you got to leave. If you come back here within a year to this property, you will be arrested. Okay? You go right now.
Yes.
If she don't leave,
Yeah, I'm about to.
she's gonna get arrested by somebody here tonight.
Okay.
Okay?
Can I put
So
her
she's
in
got
the
to
car?
leave.
Can I put her
Is that her car?
This is Casey's car, but they came together.
Okay.
So
Can she drive? No.
She probably could, but she's frantic, so I don't know.
Yeah. Probably not a good idea.
So I was just gonna take them and go back to campus, and then bring somebody to come get
Wonderful.
the car.
Okay.
So can I put her in that car for right now? While
If she has to leave, right?
Okay.
So that's the biggest thing. She's got to leave. Okay? That's her car, but she's having a panic attack, so she can't drive right now. She's got her, and then she's also willing to take.
Okay, so do you think it'd be
Maya.
better if I take them right now and then come back and get your phone?
Yes, that would be the best idea.
All right, I'm gonna go.
Thank you, Jade. Been very helpful.
Officer Sanger receives a B+. Correct procedure, proportional force, strong de-escalation. The deduction, the initial aggressor was never located or charged. Mariah receives a D. She entered as a probable victim with a valid self-defense argument. She left with 2 criminal charges, every one avoidable. Chipotle staff receives an A-. Full cooperation and correct trespass process. Minor deduction for no on-site surveillance access. 3 lessons from this encounter. First, self-defense ends when the threat ends. Pursuit is not protected. Second, victims who refuse cooperation give the legal advantage to the other side. Third, a trespass warning is a criminal order. Ignoring it completes the offense.
All right, guys. No, we're not doing this. We're not. Hey.
Yo, that's me. Bro, I'm trying to walk. Bro, call my auntie, bro. Is that her wallet? Is that her wallet?
It's mine.
Bro, no, I'm not talking. Okay, y'all don't gotta manhandle me. Y'all don't gotta manhandle me. I'm relaxing. Call my auntie. 561. Not Jade. Can you please get your phone and call my auntie? Pussy ass. Oh, they just want to take me to jail.
Yes, you're going to jail. Okay, you are under
Bro,
arrest. Okay, we
I was
tried.
gonna walk to
tried.
school. What the are you talking about? All y'all for me. I'm 125 pounds.
This is not what we wanted to do tonight.
Clearly it is, because we doing it.
I beg you to leave.
Bro, I was gonna walk to school.
Sorry.
You're okay.
What are you talking about? I don't want to be in no car right now. I want to be by myself and cool the. All right, have a seat.
Comment below with interactions or legal topics you want analyzed. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.